Hello and welcome to OrbisPay. I'm Cleo and I'm here to help walk you through the sign-up process. To do this, you'll need to have the following items ready. 1. You should have the OrbisPay app installed on your phone. 2. You should have the invite code, which was sent to your email from support@orbispay.me. Let's begin. In the very first screen, you'll see under Get Started 2 options. Please click I got the invite to go to the next screen. Here, you will need to put in the 6-digit invite code sent to you. You can find the code in your email, and if you can't see it, make sure to check your spam folder just in case. In the next screen, you'll be filling out your phone number and choosing the state where you file your taxes. We will be sending you a text to your phone number afterwards to keep everything safe and secure. And for the last step, you will need to put in a 4-digit security PIN that you want to use. You will use the PIN to log into the app, sort of like how you would unlock your phone. And that's it. In the next few videos, we will be showing you how to add your debit card and how to make your first transaction. And if you need help, you can find me at any time under Profile, located at the bottom of the app, and then press Get Help. Welcome to OrbisPay.